I take on the challenge of restoring my skin collagen naturally by incorporating these 6 foods into my diet for the next month. As we age, our skin's collagen production slows down, leading to wrinkles, sagging, and a loss of that youthful glow. It's a natural process, but there are ways to support our skin's health. One of the main reasons our skin loses collagen is due to a decrease in its production, which can be caused by a combination of factors including UV exposure, smoking, and a diet lacking essential nutrients. Our skin's collagen is like a scaffold that keeps it firm and plump, and when that scaffold starts to break down, we start to see fine lines and wrinkles. As we get older, our skin's natural ability to regenerate collagen slows down, making it harder to maintain that radiant complexion. Lifestyle factors such as lack of sleep, stress, and a poor diet can also contribute to collagen loss. This can lead to a dull, tired-looking complexion that can make us look older than we feel. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help support collagen production. Understanding how collagen works and what affects its production can help us make informed choices about our skincare. By incorporating specific foods into our diet, we can support our skin's natural collagen production. A healthy diet is just one piece of the puzzle, but it's a crucial one. So, what are these magical foods that can help boost collagen production? Let's dive into the top 6 foods that can help restore your skin collagen naturally. First up, we have berries rich in vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis. Next, we have fatty fish like salmon, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce inflammation. Then there are leafy greens like spinach, which are packed with antioxidants that protect the skin from damage. We also have nuts and seeds like almonds and flax seeds, which are rich in healthy fats and vitamin E. Legumes like chickpeas and lentils are also great for collagen production, as they're rich in zinc and biotin. Last but not least, we have avocados, which are rich in healthy fats and vitamin C. One standout food for collagen restoration is citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, which are rich in vitamin C. I've personally noticed a difference in my skin after incorporating more citrus fruits into my diet. There's also a fascinating study that found that women who consumed more vitamin C had improved skin elasticity and reduced wrinkles. Vitamin C helps to boost collagen production by stimulating collagen-producing cells, making it an essential nutrient for maintaining healthy, youthful-looking skin. So to recap, the 6 foods that can help restore your skin collagen naturally are berries, fatty fish, leafy greens, nuts and seeds, legumes, and avocados. These foods work together to provide your skin with the essential nutrients it needs to produce collagen. By incorporating them into your diet, you can support your skin's natural collagen production and maintain a healthy, radiant complexion. If you're already incorporating some of these foods into your diet, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. What's your favorite collagen-boosting food? Also, be sure to check out my other video on skincare tips, where I share my top picks for natural skincare products.